Make sure you check out any of those parties this year when them roll around. Now let's get into the Intense 5. $6,000, that's it. That's the figure Popcorn was fined after appearing in court for charges laid against him at Unruly Fest. No comment. Keisha Kaur and her boo Gucci Mane are on the rock. Of course, her first stop had to be food. Welcome home, guys. Sean Paul, who celebrated a birthday this week, voiced his opinion on the clash and lyrical content being thrown between Jada and Stefflon. Stefflon says it's all for fun, nothing else. What? So she said, Jada was just laughing at that. I'm just saying. So everyone is talking about the clash, and then out of nowhere, Amari decided to write a tune and mash them up. I have no words. None. And finally holding the spot this week. If you can't handle the smoke, stay out of the fire. Stefflon Don versus Jada Kingdom. Shots fired like crazy, but it looks as if Jada's last track struck a nerve, and Stefflon says she's out. I must say it was a hot clash. Like, people have not been excited about clashing like since years now, right? And now the place is just buzzing. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Richie holds a reason with Chaps. Intense soon come.